Video 990. Source code is down here. Let's get going. So first of all, in the system index, within system simulation optimized data access, right beneath all of these base address and seek amount systems for geometry, bomb, and fata, we have added the ALLBASE and ALLSEEK systems. They only exist to cross-check these systems against each other just as a quick sanity check unit test to make sure that everything is correct in this section. In const macros by system, we have stubbed in the ALLBASE and ALLSEEK constant sections. Nothing is ever going to go in these sections because these namespaces are just for unit tests. In data by system, we have the ALLBASE and ALLSEEK data sections beneath the FADSEEK section. Once again, this section here and this section here for ALLBASE and ALLSEEK, they're going to be empty forever and forever because this namespace, these two namespaces, only exist for unit testing. Okay? Here is the ALLBASE function section right here, and it is beneath the FADSEEK function section. We have stubbed in an initializer that will remain empty forever and forever. And then unit test main right here is where we're going to cross-check the GeoBase, BombBase, and FADBase systems against each other. We're going to write this code in another video. And then down here, we have the ALLSEEK function section. The initializer is empty, and it will be forever and forever. ALLSEEK unit test main. This is where we're going to cross-check GeoSeek, BombSeek, and FADSEEK against each other and make sure that they have like a constant linear relationship between them. We'll write this in another video. Okay, then down here in the init client front end, we have to initialize and test. So ALLBASE, initialize and test. ALLSEEK, initialize and test. And that's it, right? We got our footnote here for what we did previously. We got our footnotes here, and then we have what we did in this video. My name's Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine, and it's pretty fucking badass. Like, we can look at the little GIFs, right? Look at all of these GIFs, right? We're remaking this engine, but we are doing it from complete scratch. So we're making a Bomberman MMO, right? So we're going to take this. Oh, look, we got some screenshots of the chain reactions in the engine, right? The graphics don't look as good as the old game, but eventually the graphics and capability of our new engine will supersede what we had in the old game. Like and subscribe. I'm making a game engine.